Right guys, time for a little short walk with Tom. I'm finishing up the Seawall, the last chunk that I ain't walked. That starts actually at Science World and goes all the way around down through Canada Place, man, in Cole Harbour. Starts in Falls Creek, but this is a small chunk from, I am at the foot, right underneath the Granville Bridge. See that? And I'm standing in front of a place that I've applied to live in too, this place here in the background. I mean, coffee shop right downstairs. The Seawall is 2 feet out my front door. Granville Island's right across the water. Literally, I can see it out the window. But hopefully I get a shot of the building like this because there's a coffee shop right downstairs. A whole bunch of shopping in this plaza right here. Brand new spot. Surrounded by millionaires. Upper end. So that'd be kind of cool, guys. Get me out of the toxic apartment that I'm in right now. But let's go. Enough chitter chatter. This is going to be a nice short one. The sun just happened to come out for me too. Beautiful, baby. Let's enjoy, guys. All right, let's rock and roll, baby. Man, I'm having technical setup difficulties today. Yeah, look at this. There's a nice little London Drugs there, one of my favorite drugstores. There's some other shops on both sides of this building here. Man, this would not be a bad spot to live. And then right upstairs is Granville Street. Get anything I want on Granville. And like I said, Seawall is right down here. Here we go. Oh, man. I wasn't expecting the sun to come out, guys. It's a bonus. Whenever you get free sun in Vancouver, it's like a lottery ticket. I'm gonna cash it in and do a walk. Yeah, we're gonna wind up in David Lam Park in Yaletown. I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's just, like I said, this is unwalked territory for me, my last little chunk. But it's already looking good. Yeah, there it is, guys, Granville House. Hopefully that's my new location soon enough. I mean, look at this. My doorstep leads to the Seawall in a matter of steps. I can bring my own house-made coffee down and sit here and check out the boats and stuff. Freaking perfect. I don't know if I can go in there. But I mean, wow. Let's get a better look at that building. Yeah, that'd be the side. Get to see right there. One of those suites would do me fine. That way I get less car traffic. Get to see all the dogs walking by and people. I mean, man, like I said, I'm surrounded by higher end houses and stuff. So hopefully I can chat up one of these lonely ladies. See what goes. Oh man, sweet.
I'm just heading to the grocery store.
Wow, look at that. I'm gonna go down here and check it out. Nothing like seeing yachts outside your front window. Yeah, I gotta get out of that building, guys. What's ever in there poisoning me is screwing up my nervous system. It makes it hard to even walk sometimes. And it's so hard to prove, right? It's just time to get out. There it is. There's Granville Island right there. Oh, man. If I had a towel on the other side, I'd swim over there. Like the sound of seagulls? Man, I went to elementary school and high school hearing that. I missed that. There's the old aqua bus. Yeah, that launch for that, it's just a couple blocks down that way too, not even. I was gonna go there, but no, too lazy. There's not much there that you can't see here. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, right over there's the Broad Street Bridge. I started to walk under there, so, you know, maybe one day in the spring I'll head back down the beach instead of doing it when I was freezing to death. Wait a minute, I might have been in front of this building that I want you to see. Oh, no, that's not it. But man, how's that for a front deck? Look at that. Like, oh yeah, Vancouver is like a waterfront paradise, guys. Oh,
Here we are. They're really
ducks taking off. Nice little park here. It's like a 2-minute walk. Oh, yeah. Makes me want to get a dog. Dinghies.
Do you think that's going to kill someone? Yeah, of course. There's too much skin on it.
Look at that. The old sun peeking through the fog. Plenty of ducks. Little houseboats. I mean houseboats, houses, floating houses right there. Ah, there's another idea. Just rent one for a while, see what it's like. Oh, this might be a little longer than I thought.
So, you have to look at tickets and that, but
Just had another anxiety attack. Good grief, man. Might have taken too much B vitamins to try to wake up and give me the opposite effect. Anxiety haze. Oh, kayakers. Oh man, yeah, that's not a bad building, guys. Because I love Granville Island. Check out my Granville Island walk and you'll see why. There's actually some low-income housing right in behind there, but I could only add 15 places to my list. So I focused on Yaletown, Olympic Village, all the spots that I've walked through that are higher end. Man, nothing like paying $300 rent in the places that are charging $2-3 grand. Oh, the ducks are making a racket. Look at them all. It's just gobbling what's ever on the grass. Hundreds. I mean, look at that. How's that for a deck? You got a peek at that. Man, oh man, that is sweet.
but like everybody.
All kinds of goodies. Oh. Yeah, anywhere on that other side is sweet as hell too, because you got all this skyline out your front window and the water and parks. So either way, you can't lose. I mean, if people like taking a daily walk, I don't see how you can beat this. Especially when your front door is at the end of the ride. There it is. This is called the Erickson Building. It's kind of an iconic residential building in Vancouver, Arthur Erickson design. Big bucks. I've watched the videos, video tours. I mean, we're talking a couple mil even for the lower down ones. just because of who designed it, where it is. I mean, you're never gonna get your view blocked. You got parks, water. I mean, I haven't seen the penthouse, but I can imagine it's pretty expensive. Yeah, people taking pictures of it, no doubt. It's got a weird shape.
Dude, that was like how long? Almost 30 years ago, bro.
Boy, there's a lot of aqua buses flying around. Busy. $9, I think. $10 end to end, guys. All the way from Science World, all the way down to Kitts Beach. That's worth it, yeah. I had the whole thing to myself, too. One and only time that I've been on it. Wow, there's a lot of anchorage. Vancouver's got to be a cool destination to come sailing into. Head up towards Alaska. Nice little benches. A pack of dogs. Bike rentals everywhere, guys. You get tired, just ride instead. There's lots of drop-off spots. That's quite a posse. Yeah. Bunch of thugs. The old dog walker's dream, a pack of Chihuahua-sized dogs. $10 a head. Better than trying to control a bunch of Rottweilers in case you see a mouse or something. Rip your arm off.
So I obviously contribute to that.
Oh! Duck Symphony.
Maybe not for us, maybe more like Delta Richmond.
Man, it's chillier too than I thought. But that's what happens when the sun comes out in the wintertime. It takes your insulation blanket off the sky.
Water and you run and jump on it. Then, but it's like you jump on it.
But you're on the skim board. So you put the skim board.
Yeah, we're like
Yeah, coming to the end, guys. This is where I ended off on my Yaletown Seawall walk. Please check that out. That was one of my favorites.
I mean, if there is that much elevation, I'm gonna predict.
I mean, look at this. Take your pick. Every morning you're looking out at the ocean and the sailboats and the peeps. And down below all there, tons of food, whatever you need, man. Shopping, parks, tennis, boating, aqua bus, your own sailboat, dinghy, kayak, canoe. Take your dog. There's a big ass dog park just around the corner there. Man, sweet bike trails, foot trails. Gotta love it, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. I'm trying to build a channel and get off disability, guys. Check the links out below. Anything you can do. I got home care products, cooking products, CBD. Please give it a thumbs up and share. See you in the next video, guys.